How's it going, guys? Welcome back to Code Unlocked Marketing Over Matter. Instagram Secrets Unlocked. And if you are just joining us, we are about to learn today how to optimize your profile. Don't look at a thing. I'll be right back. Stay tuned.
Marketing, business, money, mindset.
Alrighty, guys, so now it's time to optimize your profile, which is arguably one of the most important things you could do for growth on this platform. It's so important to build authority through a tailored presence and aesthetic. I talk a little bit about everything, so let's go through the list here. You want a short, memorable, clean username, 2 words max, without special characters. I would highly recommend that. Maybe you can get away with 3 words, but 2 words, make it short and sweet, and just memorable. Maybe link 2 different things that don't exactly pair together, like marketing orange. There's an idea. I don't know if that's what your niche is, or ballet walrus. I mean, that doesn't make any sense, but I'm sure I remember it. So anyway, professional, unique logo. It's got to be clean. It's got to be professional. Hire a designer. I can't stress that enough. Just hire one. It'll cost you less than $50. You need a clean aesthetic if people are going to take you seriously on this platform. And if you're going to do a personal profile, you need a clean headshot. And all of it's just supposed to encapsulate your brand. It needs to add to whatever aesthetic or motif or theme you're trying to go for. If you have a headshot, maybe use your brand coloring in the background behind you, stuff like that. Just try to be on brand, make it professional, make it crisp and clean. Hire a designer or take a very high quality headshot. Always keep a low follower count, okay? Because follow for follow doesn't work anymore. Don't do that, because you're just at the early stages of your account. It just is not a good idea to already initiate in spammy behavior. Don't do it. Don't do follow for follow. It'll get you a couple followers that aren't going to engage with your content, and it's just a waste of time for you and for them. So don't do it. Keep a low follower count, less than 100 people. Use targeted long tail keywords in your name section. So for instance, mine has Instagram expert. This is something someone might search in the Instagram search bar. So look for long tail keywords you want to rank for. Put them in that name section so you can rank and people can find you that way. Explain who you are in your bio, who you help, aka your target customer, and the result they should expect from following you, and try to hook them in the first line. It's all about the hook. I would say you can overpromise a little bit, but not too much, because you don't want to, have your people's expectations destroyed. But yeah, hook them in. Think of the National Enquirer, like headlines that are just going to pop off the screen and grab their attention and reel them in, and then they will follow you and look for your content. Add a relevant call to action in your bio. I recommend doing this a little bit later in the game, but it's up to you. You will get less reach if you do this early in the game, and even later in the game, but later when you have more followers, it's less important. So do it, don't do it. Just know you will get less reach, because Instagram as a company doesn't want you linking people off the platform. Create branded highlights. Again, hire a designer, get them to match your headshot or logo. Make it all have the same aesthetic, and use emojis in your bio to grab attention. If you're a serious business, maybe use less emojis or serious emojis. It's been proven to maximize engagement. So, just for a few final thoughts on this bio optimization, if it's for a personal account and you can't get a handle for your real name, put your real name just in the name section for search reasons. So, if you blow up and become, some quasi celebrity or real celebrity, people can search your name and find you that way. I know this works for even people with small followings, like, because I know some of the people I follow, and if I wanted to search them, I would type in whatever their name is, Chauncey or whatever it is. It's not Chauncey, but you know what I'm saying. So, and if your handle includes a keyword, don't put the same keyword in your actual handle section, because you can actually rank for keywords in your handle if you wanted to do that. For instance, if my handle was at marketing guy, I would show up for marketing, and then don't put in your name section marketing guy, because then you'd be losing that valuable real estate to rank for a different keyword like Instagram marketing guy or something. So make sure they're different if you are using both sections. And if you post consistently for a long time, you can add in your bio that you post 2 to 3 times a day, to show people visiting what to expect from your profile. It shows them that you're legit, especially if you have a long list of posts. They're going to say, like, oh, this guy isn't lying. He does post twice a day, and it seems to be great content, so I'm definitely going to follow. So that's just a few final thoughts. And here are some examples of some great profiles, as you see with, these are all actually headshots, but as you see with Vanessa, she used that yellow. Guy Raz did the same thing. Gary Vee is sort of the exception to the rule. He can get away with this stuff. And Adam Ivy doing the same thing with the blue from his channel, and you see his speakers in the background because he's all about beats and music production and stuff. But you see here, so while we speak about Adam Ivy, he shows his social proof on here too on YouTube. He has 206K subscribers and 11 million plus views. And then this is a common theme where people tell you they're the CEO of other Instagram channels to get you to follow those as well. And then a call to action, like text me or go to my link here, adamivy.com/connect. Guy Raz, same deal. He has 3 different ways to contact him. Gary Vee, he wants you to go check out his podcast. And so you want to just tell people what you're about. You want to make sure it is relevant, on brand. And as you see with Adam Ivy, again, he seems to be the rising star here. I love how his highlight covers are all branded as well to that blue color that's around his face there. So it's all on brand. His aesthetics really nice. It just draws your eye in. It makes you say, wow, this is a professional, other than his following count, because if you want to stand out as a low level Instagram influencer, like, you gotta at least look professional or nobody's gonna take you seriously. Here's another example where I say this really spells it out for you. Professional logo, easy to remember name, optimized headline for search, clear description, and the benefits that you're gonna get, like motivation, inspiration, and mindset, empowering leaders. Clear call to action. Go to that website. Social proof, right there. #1 entrepreneur lifestyle publication. Custom hashtag. You can do that to build a following and some buzz around your brand and this distinct branding that is so beautiful, along with the high quality photos that are so important that just tie it all together. It's like the carpet matching the drapes here. So there you have it, folks.